Welcome in other vlog, guys. Today I'm gonna start it randomly. So, क्या था पे मलिक साहब?
मैं गए उन्ना के लाख रुपया विजय सुजरी तेरी तस्वीर ते टीवी चलसी ना टोका इंदा लाख रुपया के तेरे पास भेजे थे तक
He is saying that I recorded his video and I get it 100k microcurrency rupees by YouTube because of him, and he's saying he wants that money, but he don't know my YouTube account is not monetized. I'm getting nothing, but he thinks that कितने मेरे को पैसे मिले?
तकू
हाँ.
तकू पता नहीं उन्हें कितने मिले मेरे को.
He's saying I get it 100k. Wow, amazing, insane. Wait, kutarna kede vele? So guys, now they are starting to cut the grass in that machine. I told you already. I mean, last time when I came here, they cut it already. Today I will show you how they cut the grass on this machine. It is called Toka, grass cutting machine, and this is a motor. Look, they covered it with this thing because you know when it is raining, if water falls on it, it's gonna be so see, that's why. So it is hard working. You know, guys, how much they have money. They have a lot of animals. They are very rich, but they don't have any person for work them. They work by themselves. You will be surprised. So let's see how they're gonna do it. There we go. Actually, he's asking why I'm doing a vlog in English. Sorry, guys. Malik, oh, banana in Urdu h, मैं banana English h. Guys, you can watch. What is this? It is electric wire. Electric current is available in it, and now they're gonna put no. He's saying touch the head with this wire. Wow, I'm not gonna touch it. So it is electric wire. It is simple wire of this motor. So they're gonna put this wire on it, and after that it will be started. So guys, you can watch. Malak, shuru karna. Okay. So first of all, they will collect all their grass here. They will put all grass here. After that, they will start this machine, and I will show you how they give feed to their animals. You know what it is. It is what it is. I don't know. So there we go. And I hope you remember this chicken. 1, 2, 3. Yesterday, one of them was climbed on a tree, on a wall. So guys, look, they put it another bundle here, and they are sweating. They both brothers are sweating. Look, and they are very hard working person. You can watch. They started, and you can watch how it's working. One more thing I show you, I want to tell you, we don't drink normal water, so it is filtered water. In these bottles, it is filtered water, and we drink filtered water. We don't drink normal water. You can watch, huh? Guys, I told you in this wire it is current. They don't have any button. I mean, they don't have any button. They switch the button and the current go. No, they have direct wires. They put it. It is so risky. It is so risky, guys. Oh my God. Guys, do you know what it is? I mean, I don't know what we say in English. We also like it is type of a crop. You can watch, huh? It is a type of crop. So guys, I buy 1 bottle of water today. Normally I buy 2. As you can watch, I'm putting water in it, and after this I will put this water in my fridge, and this can I will return to the person. So it is filtered water, huh? And it cost 50 rupees. 1 bottle of filter water, it cost me 50 rupees. You can watch, huh? Guys, they have plastic bags, cloth, something in which they will put gas, and then they put to their animals. You can watch. So first they clean the place where they have to put the grass, huh? I was putting water in my home, so I forgot to record it. So you can watch. It is the waste of Aldi. So every day they put their waste animals, I mean the food which animal don't eat, they put here, huh? And let's go, there we go. So guys, I mean they're gonna give the feed to their animal, and I'm gonna properly show you, huh? So guys, you can watch now. They are putting the grass into this bag, into this cloth. After that, यारे मैं वीडियो बना के भेजना पे मैं YouTube पे चढ़ावने हैं. अच्छा. हाँ. And guys, he looks staring. He don't know what I'm doing. So he don't know what is vlog, and he don't know what is YouTube, because he don't have touch mobile. He have simple. अपना मोबाइल दिखावी? मेरा मोबाइल. He have only old Nokia phone, you know. Just he don't use latest one. Just all the day they just work. एक ना था. Guys, it is little bit, you know. Okay, so let's see what they're gonna do. I think he hurts himself. He hurts himself little bit. They do a lot of work. I mean, it is not about just feed the animals. They do a lot of work. You can watch. So, in the वजन कितना उसे? It is 40 kg, guys. It is not little weight. It is a high weight. He picks on his head, and then we're gonna go to the animals, and we're giving the food to the animals. There we go. He's walking in front of me, and I'm walking behind him. All right, so you can watch the animals are in under trees at shadow, because it was a sunny day, and there we go, guys. The goats already have their foods. Mom and daughter. I don't know what it is. Yes, it is daughter and mom. So he put the grass finally here in this thing. So guys, do you know it is a salt? It is a salt for animals. We give this salt to the animals. Yeah, so it is a salt. They touch their tongue all the day on it. It is a salt for an. These are cows, and I am scared of cows. I mean, I cannot go near to them. Like 1, 2, and this one, 3. Okay. I'm safe. 4, 5, 6. How many? I don't know. They are, huh? So, and this Algo cows is his cow, and he is also the owner of the all cows. He is a little boy and owner of. So guys, I want to tell you, do you know what it is? It is made by wood and little ropes, this thing, and we call it manji. So manji, we use more manjis than chairs and than beds. I mean, in Pakistan we don't like to sleep on bed at night, and we don't use chair. So mostly we use manji, charpai. In Urdu we say charpai. In Saraiki we say manji, manja. What it is, I don't. It is. So that's what I told you. And there we go. And you can watch. Now he bring more grass here. This is his home. The both brother lives in this home. The back home is in their home. Yeah. And they also have a tractor. They also have a tractor, and they have a lot of land. Guys, you can watch. He is putting more grass. La 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 la. He's asking, you have to help me first before you're going to the animals. He's asking, you have to help me first to his brother, because his hand is hurted. So he's asking his brother, huh? But I think he cannot listen. Sometimes this happen, huh? Sometimes people don't listen. So, look. Oh my God. I don't know where they're going. You can watch, guys, the little child. There we go. खड़ हले वाली पूरी करके नाना वाला है. So guys, they are eating the grass now. I'm scared because क्यों कुछ नहीं आदि को पाओ जबर. And guys, it is a little bit funny scene now. Oh, finally. So today I am not going to buy a vegetable because I already got to the market and buy the vegetable. So I'm just gonna stay in my village, and it is evening time. Dikhavi father. Guys, I want to show you something. Look. बजता थे ना तेरे पीछे. It takes some time.
अरे देख से देखो.
अच्छा. That's funny, huh? If you look at it, it is not attack. When you look behind, it attacks. You know. Uh, so when they taste the salt, then they eat the grass and it tastes good for them. That's why they have salt in it. It is a lot of salt, and it is special salt for animals. I don't know if you know or not. I can show you. It is a big one, and I think so it is around 7 kg, not little bit. So there we go. Now we reach at second point. Look, there is another salt as well. There we go. Here we go. Another salt you can watch. A little bit grass. So now he is going to bring more grass, and this is why he is the owner of the both goats. ये क्या किती पे?
पानी लाई
केकू. So now he is going to give water to the goats. पानी देना, किमें देना? I show you. You can watch the goat is drinking water. Show you very close, and its starter is as well. Guys, the bucket is litter. They cannot drink easily water. You can watch, the bucket is litter. The uncle is gone for more grass. So there we go. And they are eating grass. You can watch. So there's 3 cows in one dish. We can say, 3 cows are eating at one point. So guys, cows are eating their food, meal, grass, what we say. So now I'm going to next, and let's see what we're gonna find. There we go. He's saying make the videos of the uncles. He don't know I already made. He's saying maybe Chacha means uncle. Chacha get fame, so he don't know I record their videos already. Chacha, Wazira and Nazira. It's mean Uncle Wazir and Nazir. There we go. So guys, they are hard worker person. They both Balatar are very hard worker. And one more thing, they have money, they can hire a person, but they don't hire. They work by themselves. Even that they are maybe 50 years old, near to 50, both of them. So that's how we give food to our animals. I will show you complete things. And when it is raining, not in normal days, when it is raining, they put their animals there. Here you can watch, guys. This place is for animal. And one thing is scary because I'm not going down into this because of this. You can watch, guys. Oh my god, this wood is break. Guys, you can watch. So, and you can watch, look. Guys, do you notice something? I mean, it is about to fall down. So it is scary. I'm not going to in this. And here it is a solar motor, water motor. Let's go. So guys, you can watch, Guys, they just cut it 2 bundles of grass. They have maybe a lot of grass. Do you know what is this? Mina, I don't know what we say in English. It is the part of wheat. So they filter this thing here, yeah. Say they put this thing here. After that they do like this. So after filtering, they put this. They filter sand from it. They filter the mud from this, and after that they mix this. They mix this, and they mix the cutting little grass, and that's how they put their animals. So in summer it is cheap, but in winter it is very expensive. We call this bhusa, turi. So in summer, turi is. Guys, you know, I'm in my village, and now I came to my friend Asad Anis. You know him. So I told you, they just came from their work. They go to work every day, and they just came from their work. They construct home. That's what they do. Their father is a mason, and they are working with them as a labor. So Anis and Asad. So today I think they are going to play. What you gonna play?
How are you?
I am good.
What is your name? Riza.
They just know 2-3 words. What is your name? How are you? Nothing. See, uma ko chhod aise haal. So guys, now we are going to play volleyball. Where is the volleyball?
Volleyball, Tappi.
Where it is? It is not in your hand. Where is bro? कितना है volleyball कितना है?
Give me the cap.
He don't know. So I told you, someone in the ground, they have volleyball, and we are just going, and you can watch. Oh wow, goats.
Kali goats.
Is a Kali Charan.
So guys, I told you this is vegetable.
Kaddu.
Someone have vegetable of their home, and I don't know the English name. In my language, we call that kaddu sharif. Yes, bro. Why are you laughing? It is kaddu sharif. Thori badmash. That's all.
And
Let's go.
Sag. Sag on a siren fuel. Is a green pepper.
Oh, Norta Magnita Jelesti.
Has a green pepper, trees and name Shari.
He is telling the name of
And is
trees. Is Tula.
My bully
His language. My bully means
is a
my
dog.
language.
Has a dog.
Is the duck.
And Khajur.
Oh, okay. Dates as well, huh? He is just telling the name of the trees.
Bear.
Bear, I don't know what to say.
As banana.
So guys, you remember this banana?
As banana.
This is banana, which it is like a vegetable tree, huh? There we go. It is not for burn, it is for a vegetable curry. Guys, I told you, I showed you as well before.
Rickshaw.
Loader rickshaw. Without brake. No, 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 no. Without brake. Loader rickshaw without brake. And guys, I told you another manji. You know.
Charpai.
So I told you we don't use chair. We don't use bed mostly. We use manji, charpai. I don't know what we say in English, but it is a metal charpai. Before it was a wood charpai.
As Angrezi kiske.
Guys, this is a metal charpai,
Ye kya?
and guys,
Monkey.
this is a donkey.
Okay, monkey.
Oh, so cute donkey. So cute donkey. So cute donkey.
Oh,
Let's-
volleyball.
So look, Jalal is coming with the volleyball. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, bro?
Assalamualaikum. Kya bro?
How are you, bro? You good?
Good.
Good, good. Good, bro. So there we go, guys.
Yes.
Now they are going to play volleyball.
Yes. And volleyball
Uh,
playing to ground. Me and
Jalal.
Jalal and Shahrukh and Israr and Kalimullah. My big player Kalimullah.
We are going to play volleyball. Yeah.
My ground.
Guys, they are playing, and now I'm going back to home. So there we go. And they are little child. They're playing Chuki Danda. You know this game. So there we go. I'm going back to home, and this is what I did in my vlog. It is evening time, and I'm going back to home. There we go. You can watch the homes, and there is a dog. You can watch it as well. Sleeping. Guys, one more thing I forgot to show you. You know, Fad, he is going to his home, and you can watch it. This is his cycle, and he has tomato, some chili, and he is eating gola, and he is going back to guys home. Now I'm back to my home, but I tell you one more thing. There are some childs, and this uncle is their cycle tire is punctured. You know, you can watch, and he is fixing the tire. So, ठीक है puncture. The puncture is down now, and now he is fitting the cycle. So they will go back to home. He is my neighbor, and in my village, if someone have a punctured cycle, motorcycle, anything, he can done the punctures. So there we go. So guys, I was about to go to buy milk, but I found so there was my two friends, Anis and Sardar. You watch Anis before, but Sardar is new. So today Sardar is come to me because he want a new UK region TikTok account, and I'm gonna make for him. So after that they will go back to home. I will ask them if they want to eat the dinner, anything. So I told you one more thing. You can watch. This is also Manji Charpai. I told you, more than chair and more than bed, we use Manji Charpai because we like it. So there we go. Sardar bhai, do you like the water?
Yes.
Because it is filter water. You don't know, but it is filter water, bro.
No filter water. Why?
It is filter water, good water. I have good water.
Yes.
So guys, my friends are gone now, and now I'm gonna end this vlog, and I'm gonna put this Manji in my home. It is outside, and now I'm gonna end this vlog. So I hope you like it, and after this I'm gonna go on TikTok live.